Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? Or how Amazon predicts what you're going to buy before you even search for it? The answer is data analytics. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to decode data analytics. In simple terms, data analytics is the process of examining raw data to find trends, patterns, and insights. It's about taking a mess of unorganized information, like numbers, customer feedback, and sales logs, and turning it into meaningful answers. Think of raw data like unrefined oil. On its own, it's just a sticky mess. But if you process it, it becomes fuel that powers engines. Data analytics is the refinery that turns raw numbers into the fuel that powers business decisions. To really understand this, we need to look at the 4 stages of analytics. Let's use a YouTube channel as an example to explain this. Number 1 is descriptive analytics. This answers the question, what happened? Imagine looking at your YouTube dashboard and seeing you got 10,000 views last month. That is a fact. It describes the past. Number 2 is diagnostic analytics. This asks, why did it happen? You dig deeper and see that your views dropped in week 2 because you didn't upload a video. Now you know the cause. Number 3 is predictive analytics. This asks, what is likely to happen? Based on your past data, you predict that if you upload a video about AI tools next Tuesday, you will likely get 15,000 views because that topic is trending. And finally, number 4 is prescriptive analytics. This asks, what should we do? This is where the data tells you the best course of action. It might suggest, upload at 6 p.m. on Tuesday with the title Top 5 Free AI Tools to Maximize Growth. Now, let's see how the giants use this. Take Netflix. They don't just guess what you like. They use analytics to track what you watch, when you pause, and what you skip. They use this data to predict what you'll enjoy next with that 98% match score. Or look at Uber. When it rains, you see prices go up. That isn't random. That is their algorithm analyzing real-time demand and traffic data. It prescribes surge pricing to encourage more drivers to get on the road to meet the demand. Whether it's healthcare, banking, or entertainment, data analytics is everywhere. It helps businesses move from guessing to knowing. If you want to learn more about the tools used in this field, like SQL, Power BI, or Python, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.